Hi, my name is Marie-Claude, and we are here at Charanga Restaurant in the South End on Washington Street, the intersection of Washington Street and Mass Ave. I'll be making our in-house recipe, which is famously known for our appetizers and some of our entrees, the salad we serve with our entrees. It's a basic salad recipe with balsamic vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard. Make sure Dijon mustard because that's the key ingredient, and garlic paste, which is a paste we make in Senegal. This is the key to the Senegalese cooking. It's basically garlic, onions, yellow onions, scallions, and then bell pepper if you have, but that's optional. So when you make any dressing, any marinade, anything, when you come at Charanga, that secret ingredient you guys will taste, that's the garlic paste. We put it in everything that we make. And my mom will kill me that I gave you this recipe, but that's the secret to our cooking. So I will start making it, and I like first to mix the mustard with the olive oil to reach a right consistency, then add other ingredients. Then next I'm adding the balsamic vinegar, then the garlic paste, now the honey. We use honey because balsamic vinegar itself is already sweet, but if you don't cook enough to reduce the acidity, it's going to be still very acid. And we would like you guys to have a pleasant experience with our cuisine, so we just give put a touch of honey in it. And when you make this at home, don't be afraid to add or increase the liquidity to your level of likeness. Sometimes some people like it runny, some people like it thick. So at Charanga we make it in between. It's not too thick, it's not too runny. And the recipe is done, so I'm going to transfer it on a board. Voila, the in-house dressing at Charanga, our balsamic dressing. I enjoy making it for you, and I hope you enjoy watching it, and I hope you try it at home. Thank you.